Govinda Hari Govinda Venkataramana Govinda Govinda Hari Govinda Govinda Hari Govinda. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. So if you are in a queue of having darshan of Tirupati Balaji or Venkateshwor Swami, then you can recite this again and again. Okay, so today I'm going to share something about Tirupati. Tirupati is the place of Lord Venkateswor Swami, and who is all pervading Lord of the universe, who is also known as Lord of the Seven Hills. So Tirupati is one of the holiest place of the pilgrimage, where Lord is worshipped in the mood of reverence. Yes, the mesmerizing, amazing darshan you can have. And Tirupati is the home of the world's richest temple. This is one of the richest temple where thousands of pilgrims visit daily to have or to take darshan of Sri Venkateshwor Swami. And Lord Venkateswor Swami is also known as Balaji. Okay, the magnificent temple of Lord Venkateswor Swami is located on the seventh peak. On the seventh peak, Venkatachal, it's said like that, and Venkata Hill. So Tirumala is the place where our Lord Balaji reside, and we can have a darshan by reaching there. Okay, so Ven means sins. Okay, and cut means to remove or to wash away, like that. So Venkat means one who cuts away or removes all the sins. So Venkateshwar means the Lord who removes all the sins from the heart of his devotees. So if you want to remove the sins, then what you can do, you can visit Tirupati Balaji. Okay, so there are so many pastimes of Tirupati Balaji. So it is these sinful propensities, these sinful propensities disturb our consciousness. That are the obstacles to do devotional services. So in order to get rid of these sins, we can pray, we can go and have a darshan of Venkateswor Swami. So we can pray to Lord Venkateswar, yes, like, oh Lord, please cleanse away our propensity to gratification and egoism that cause all these sins, and let me be your unmotivated servant. So Lord is eager to give us the true devotional love. So the eternal wealth, people go there to ask some wealth, some material gain, for achieving some material gain, but we as a devotee, we should ask for the association. Oh Lord, may I always associate with the devotees, may I always engage in your devotional service. And he is eager to give us the pure bhakti. That treasure will bring about the real happiness in our life. So if we are going there to Tirupati Balaji, then we should have a proper hearing, Sravanam, and as well as we should pray to the Lord, because it's just a fraction of a second. Just a fraction of a second you are allowed to, or you can have a darshan of Venkateshwar Swami. Just 3 or 4 seconds, that's all. But at that time, we cannot have a proper darshan. So how can we have a darshan? By hearing from the sadhus, by praying to the Lord, by feeling oneself fortunate, by developing humility. Now, these are the quality that Lord Venkateswar Swami likes. He has some depth, but the most important is he demands our eagerness, our sincerity in bhakti. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Best wishes for your yatra. Hari Bo.